सो गाइज जो नींद आई ना वो बहुत ही मज़ेदार थी. इट्स 24 डिग्रीज इन दांडेली टुडे एंड एकदम मज़ा आया मतलब नींद करने में जितना लाइक घर पे या गोवा के क्लाइमेट में नहीं आता है उतना मतलब दैट कैंपिंग वाला फील आया. सो वी स्लेप्ट रियली वेल आफ्टर वी वेंट टू स्लीप लाइक एट अराउंड 12 o'clock. So yeah, it was a good night I would say. Praveen and all are still sleeping, so yeah, I'll have to wait for them. So I said I'll just shoot whatever part I have to shoot in the morning. इतनी अच्छी नींद आई कि we missed the trekking because we did not get up in the morning. So आज का सीन कुछ ऐसा है that right now it's 8:25 We don't want to get late to water sports because अगर 11-12 बज गए तो सन बहुत ही हार्श होगा. देन we'll burn ourselves in the sun. So यही reason है. We'll hurry up from here now. So यहाँ का मौसम जो है वो बहुत ही अजीब तरीके से बिहेव कर रहा है because yesterday also at night it was very hot at around 9 o'clock and then by 10-11 बहुत ही ठंड हो गई like around 22 degrees or yeah I think 22 degrees. And even now when I got up when I was doing the first clip, that time it was 24 degrees and now it has already reached to 27 degrees and गर्मी होना start हो गई है. So we are slightly delayed with the plan. It's already 10:20 and we are still having a breakfast. Breakfast is kind of okay. I didn't really like it. She's making me laugh. Seema. Jam bread is not good at all, bro. I didn't like it at all. Jam bread जो है वो क्रोसिन की टेबलेट की तरह लग रहा है. So So we have done with our packing of the luggage and all, and we are checking out. Okay, Lekraj, how did you feel about this trip?
इट वॉज व्हेरी नाईस. आमकां चड इंग्लीश कळना तरी पूण तुका सांगता खूब मजा येयली. बट स्टील फक्त एकूच मातशें बरें नासलें तें म्हणटा तें जेवण.
So we are finally at the most exciting part of our trip, that is the water sport. So while coming, we lost our way. We couldn't find the place. Then we called the concerned person, and we are finally here. So only 4 of us are doing rafting. Neha is not doing. I don't know. She's scared, I think. So I'm very excited because it's like my first time ever in this water sports, especially. Guys, that was amazing. Should definitely come here and do this. Still a lot more to go. Bro! Yo, bro! Run! Okay. Oh, bro. So we are done with the water sports. I mean, paisa vasool tha, completely paisa vasool, because we paid somewhere around 1300 rupees. We got a tent and so much of fun. So the activities what we got here is we did rafting, where we paid 500 rupees, which was worth. But I still felt like it should have been little longer route or path. Then we had swimming and boating and a jacuzzi bath. You have to just sit in the water. That's what it is. That's what they call as jacuzzi bath. I mean, overall it was fun. It was worth the money we spent. And yeah, you guys can come and enjoy here. So I think as per the plan, we are already late because it's already 4 o'clock. We haven't had a lunch, so we'll be having our lunch on our way. Also, we are not going on the same route as we came because the Anmod Ghat is like really bad. I got the name of the ghat now. So yeah, अभी on our way हम लोग जाएंगे, खाना खाएंगे, and then we'll probably head straight to Goa, and maybe एक दो बीच में एक दो ब्रेक होंगे.
हांगाच्यान रामनगर वचा. रामनगर गेल्या उपरांत चिने घाट बस स्टँड कशें मेळटलें. आतां हायवे केला थंय न्हू, फुडें दिसता तुका. तेच्या फुडल्या मातसो मुखार गेलो न्हू, थंयसून मातसो एक हाफ किलोमिटर फुडें चला आनी थंयसून रायट घेया. बारीक रोड आसा,
Okay.
सिंगल रोड आहा. त्या सिंगल रोडान डायरेक्ट अनमोड भायर पडटा तुमी.
So as that uncle said, हम लोग रामनगर पहुंच चुके हैं. From Ramnagar you have to take this left. There are two ways, right and left. So you take the left. On your way आपको एक छोटा सा ब्रिज मिलेगा which is not yet ready, and after that you get a very sharp left curve, and then on your right hand side there is a small road going inside. So that road goes to Praveen, that name of the Chini Ghat. So that road goes to Chini Ghat, and there you'll get one dead end. So after that you guys get this railway gate, and when you guys are driving on this road, just be careful while driving because the road is like very narrow. So keep your speed as slow as possible so that nothing wrong goes. So as soon as Chini Ghat का जो narrow road है वो खत्म होता है, you get a T junction. You take the sharp left there. It was easy for us to communicate with the local person because Seema knows Kannada. So it was very easy. Thank you Seema. So उस T junction पे left लेने के बाद you get connected to Anmod again. But यहाँ क्या होता है, जो भी खड्डे वगैरह थे वो पीछे छूट जाते हैं, and you get a proper road here to drive. So we have touched the Anmod road, and I'll tell you what we missed earlier. I feel we should have asked people earlier, the locals here, because जैसे ही कर्नाटका चेक पोस्ट जो ख़त्म होता है, you get a left here. There is one board called Belgavi and Kanapur. So take that road, and that road avoids all the messy road of the Anmod. So पिछले फ्रेम के बाद मेरे कैमरे की बैटरी और गोप्रो की बैटरी दोनों डेड हो गई थी, because of which I couldn't shoot any of the further part of the trip. But everybody is super exhausted right now. We took a break only after we reached to Panjim and we had our food and all. we have come here only to end up this video. So with that said, I'm ending up my vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, do like the video, do subscribe to my channel, and do share it with your friends and family. See you in the next video, guys. Till then, live in peace.